Impressive target and interception matrixing. Or, as more articulate humans might say, wow.
We can't let this thing reach the populated sector. Move in for close combat.
Careful, Chiro. We're in range of its attack.
Prepare to disengage.
It appears I have overestimated those disgusting primates, even with the boy. This battle is taking far too long. The time has come to finish it myself.
So much for mouth, Tor.
Mouth Tor? Really, Otto, must you give every creature we engage a ridiculous name?
I like Mouth Tor, but whatever the name, we've won again.
No, Chiro. This time I've won. Soon, you and your monkeys will be my pawns.
While exploring the outskirts of the city, I discovered an abandoned super robot. It was then my life was transformed by the mysterious power of Primal. The robot monkeys were awakened, and I, Chiro, made their leader. Our quest, save Shugazum City from the evils of the Skeleton King. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce Go! Fighting any evil, they are Shugazum's hope. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce Go! Defeating any foe!
And time.
Sparks! Get some!
Nova!
Otto!
Chiro! Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce Go! If you need a hero, that's our name, you should know. Super Robot Monkey Team, Hyperforce Go! Come on with us, let's go! Wahoo! Just a little closer, Itor. Laser lassoed! Didn't have a chance. Okay, rope him in, rope him in. Easy. Watch the teeth. Go!
You could never hover like that on a wing. The aerodynamics are all wrong. That is the problem with vid games. No practical application.
New high score! New high score!
Hey, it's for fun. Who's next?
No offense, but I'm not really into kid stuff.
Right. Besides, Shigoken Robo Beast Wrangler isn't the game for beginners. You need expert pilot skills.
Give me the controller.
We're behind schedule, team. We need to prep for patrol.
But the scanner shows all clear.
We have a responsibility to Shugazoo at all times.
Well, sometimes I wish the city could just take care of itself. I mean, do we have to do everything? Maybe there could be some kind of, I don't know, automatic defense system.
Far easier said than done. A truly impenetrable defense system would be extremely difficult to produce.
Blah, blah, blah.
It would require a state-of-the-art threat identifier. Ahem!
Threat level 0.
Yes. Well, protecting an entire city would demand monumental advances in troposphere technology.
Like a big bubble?
Otto, please. That is an extreme oversimplification of an infinitely complex invention. Impressive.
It seems very unwise to trust our duties to a machine.
A defense system built by the mechanical wizard Otto and based on the genius design of Gibson. What could go wrong?
Absolutely nothing. Now, how about releasing me? Superstructure completed, the weapon bays are armed, and the threat identifier has been activated.
Threat detected.
I'm no threat.
Doomsday beam charging.
How do you turn this thing off?
Multiple threats detected.
Hey, it worked! Just testing it.
System deactivated.
See? Not a problem.
Excellent. The Hyperforce grows complacent, trusting in a toy to keep them safe. Perhaps it is time I show them how secure they really are.
Look out! Got it!
Oh no!
Oh, yeah!
Warning, threat detected.
What is that?
A hostile fruit-like vessel is invading Sugar Zoom airspace.
How about we give the defense system a try?
That's what it's for, right?
Multiple threats detected.
That's what I'm talking about. Nothing to worry about, right?
Doomsday beam charging. Multiple threats detected.
Otto, activate the shield!
Threats destroyed.
I must admit, I am impressed.
Ow, my head.
And I'm saying you can't wrangle a Zephyr Bat with an ion lasso.
I can and I will, Sparky.
Don't call me that.
It is funny.
No, it's not.
Oh, yes it is.
Can we just play?
What happened?
Perhaps it is time for a break. A trip to the city would do us all some good. I've often wondered if Chiro's human preoccupation for such frivolous play would spread to the others, Gibson. Of course, I realize that your scientific mind would never bother with such trivialities.
That's right. You're going down, Zephyr-Bat. Ha ha! All right, Mecha Crawler, prepare to be lassoed. Yippee-yi-yo! Ha ha!
That's the major threat alarm.
The super robot scanners have detected multiple threats inside the city perimeter.
No way! The defense system should have taken care of them.
Perhaps there's been a minor malfunction. Great Caesar's Ghost! We have a triple creature threat in progress.
That is one major malfunction.
One is assaulting the promenade, another the park, and the third downtown.
So let's split up and get them! Hyperforce, go! I don't know how you got in here, but we're taking you out.
Whoa! Easy there, Birdie.
Oops.
Prepare to attack.
Otto, the defense system. Can you reverse it? Turn it towards the city.
I'll try.
Multiple threats detected.
Uh-oh.
There, you see? It all worked out rather well. Except for this big puddle of goo. Disgusting.
So it's settled. Tomorrow we dismantle the defense system.
But it worked perfectly.
But we did not. We relied on it and lost our edge. Otto?
At least we captured those monsters for Gibson to analyze.
Let's see. First, we'll merge you into one simple package. Yes, definitely hostile creations, severely lacking in cohabitation skills. Careful in there, you. Impossible! See, the three creatures were designed to infiltrate, combine, and destroy. Skeleton King played us for fools.
Time for some payback, Otto.
Defense system to the rescue!
Threat detected.
Wow, that thing's got some moves.
It appears to be blind, guided by some sort of sonar.
We're gonna need more than the defense system to take it down. Monkeys, mobilize!
Butt Crusher Cruiser 6, go!
Foot Crusher Cruiser 5, go!
Fist Rocket 4, go.
Fist Rocket 3, go!
Brain Scrambler Pilot 2, go!
Torso Tank Driver 1, go! Prepare to disengage. Super!
Robot!
Hyper!
The bubble is keeping us from attack altitude. So we're going in low and fast.
Secondary threat detected.
What? Otto, shut down the defense system.
The remote's not working!
The monster's sonic blast has damaged the defense diamond's central control receptors.
Sure. Why make it easy?
Secondary threat destroyed.
My defense system?
At least the bubble's still up.
Now we're trapped in here with this thing.
Let's fry this crab bat goo monster. Hyperforce, go!
Hey, Ugly!
Monkey team, split threat triple attack, go!
Magna Tingler Blast!
Claw Disruptor!
Monkey Missile!
Chiro!
Look out! No! Force it down! Free the others! Thunder Punch!
Zero!
Nice timing, huh?
Ugh, not for that thing.
You mean Fly Tor.
Excellent, Otto. Flytor has a nice ring to it. Flytor. Yes. Chiro, you can land this thing, can't you?
Oh yeah, gotcha now.
Watch it!
Watch out.
Time for patrol. Everyone ready?
Later, we're kind of busy.
Kind of busy.
Joke, it's a joke. Come on, monkey team, we've got a job to do.
Perfect. Let the fools savor a false triumph, ignorant of the true victor of this conflict. Hello, Chiro. Now, let's find out what makes you so special.